Meaning of expel.
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 Expel. The verb expel means to force someone or something out from a place or position. The result of expelling someone or something is that they are removed or ejected from the place they were occupying. This removal can occur either through physical force or legal means. When a person is expelled from an organization, they are no longer allowed to be a member and may face consequences such as loss of privileges or benefits. Expulsion can also refer to the process of removing waste or toxins from the body through natural bodily functions.